Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Shore pods. First, unbox your pods and identify the primary pod. Plug this pod into a power outlet close to your modem or gateway. Ensure it's not plugged into a power strip but directly into the wall. Wait for the pod's light to turn solid white, which indicates it's successfully connected to your home network. This initial step is crucial for establishing your Wi-Fi mesh system. Once your first pod is active, you can strategically place the remaining pods. Position them about halfway between your modem and areas where you experience weak Wi-Fi signals. It's important that each new pod is within 20 to 30 feet of another active pod to create a strong mesh network. Try to avoid placing pods near large metal objects, mirrors, or major appliances like microwaves, as these can interfere with the signal and reduce performance. After placing your pods, download the HomePass app to your smartphone. This app is essential for managing your Shore pods and optimizing your Wi-Fi experience. Open the app and follow the simple on-screen instructions to add your new pods to your network. The app allows you to monitor your network's performance, see which devices are connected, and even set up parental controls or guest access. It gives you full control over your home Wi-Fi. If a pod's light isn't solid white after a few minutes, try plugging it into a different power outlet or moving it closer to an active pod. Sometimes, a simple restart of your modem and all your pods can resolve minor connectivity issues. Remember to check the HomePass app for diagnostic tools and further assistance. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.